Wow, this looks so good. Well, not. Go in. I just built a fence in my backyard.
So you just have to record the vocals.
Yeah, I'm currently in the studio. Good morning. Okay, so currently it is 7:56 a.m. and I woke up at 6:40 because I was supposed to have training at 8 and I have to drive an hour to Orange County to go to training, but I guess he wanted to change it to 10, but I have vocal lessons today at 10:30, so that's not happening more. So let's just start my day. Me and you, baby. Get up, get going, get out of bed. If you're watching this in the morning, get out of after you watch this video, get out of bed, make yourself some breakfast, and write a little to-do list, and we'll get our shit done today. Okay, anyway, I'm so excited because I finally get to use my coffee maker for the first time. Not coffee maker, but like make coffee in this house for the first time. I do need to go grocery shopping today though and do a bunch of little errands that you are gonna come along with. But hi, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Mai, I'm 18, I just moved to LA and I'm posting daily vlogs every single day at 7 a.m. PST. So make sure to subscribe so that I keep showing up in your recommended if you like me. Also, I read every single one of my comments, so ask me a question or something down below and I'll probably reply. I bought roasted hazelnut medium roast whole bean coffee the other day. I'm excited to try this. I got a new French press because mine was broken and I used that one for like 2 years. So I'm really excited to try a new one. I love French press coffee. Well, my reflection in this thing is kind of whack. Y'all see that? But I'm in love with French press coffee. I'm so excited. I think that French press coffee, the one that I make, is like the best thing ever. And all my friends agree. Even my friends that don't like coffee love it. You gotta get hazelnut coffee beans with hazelnut creamer though. New French press, gang. Put this baby on top, give about 5 minutes and we'll do a little push. But honestly, not that hungry, so I think I'm just gonna eat some watermelon until that's done. Put it in my Yeti. Do you see back there some flowers? That's in my Yeti tumbler where I used to put my iced coffee, but we didn't have a vase, so I put it in that. But I also need to get one of those today because I want to have like fresh flowers in the house at all times. I just feel like it gives like a good vibe, you know? Should I do my makeup today? So I'm trying to debate right now. Could do some eye makeup. I do need to put my contacts in. Let's do some eye makeup. Hi, currently I don't want to bring you in closer because look at this mess. Yeah, you may be wondering why. It's because I'm leaving my bathroom until like the last thing to do in my room because I don't really care about it that much. Like I don't go in my room unless I sleep, so I don't care, but that's gonna be like one of the last things to do, so don't mind this mess. Trust me, it'll get fixed eventually. Okay, don't worry, it'll be fixed, okay? But I'm just gonna do a little bit of eye makeup, I think, because I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself, right? Should I? Or should I just leave it? Let me know what y'all think down in the comments because I don't know if you like this better or if you like eye makeup better. You know what I'm gonna do though for sure is put my contacts in though because my indecisive ass, even though I'm not even a Libra, can't decide if I want to do it or not right now. So I'm just gonna put my contacts in. I have a lot of you asking me what contacts I use. It's usually the Daily Colors in Mystic Hazel, I think. Yeah, Mystic Hazel. And if I'm wearing like my big ones that make my eyes look bigger, I use the Splash Illusion in brown. But today I'm feeling hazel. I haven't done hazel in a minute. I just watched my old vlog back and I was like, oh, hazel kind of looks pretty. I suck at putting contacts in though, so enjoy this ride because I always go through like 3 contacts before I can get one in, which is so bad. Oh, surprisingly, that was really quick. Okay, fuck it up, sis. So proud of you. Money, oh mama, money, no. Wow, today we were successful. It feels so good to be this young and have some fun. Wait, what? It feels so good to be this young and have this fun and be successful. I'm so successful. Ew, that was so off key. Don't screen cap that. No one screen cap that. That was... You know, I'm trying. You know what? I decided we're just not gonna do makeup. I'll just do it later today. I want to just get to the store quick. It's 8:15 a.m., which is still early, but I just want to get to the store. I'm feeling motivated. But coffee time. I'm excited for coffee. I'm gonna put some ice in this cup. Trust me, if you usually don't like coffee, please buy French press. They're like 20 bucks and hazelnut coffee and hazelnut creamer. If you don't think you'd like hazelnut, just try it. It literally like just tastes good. Like I don't even know what a hazelnut tastes like, but give it a good shake. To think that I used to add sugar and then this in it, what was wrong with me? Let's try this beauty. Cheers, baby. Did I not let this sit long enough, or is US creamer just different? Like, I'm confused. This doesn't taste normal, but it's still good. I think maybe the creamer here tastes a little bit different. Just things always taste different in the US. That is one thing I noticed. To be honest, I like Canadian food better. Just like the quality of things such as like McDonald's and stuff. I like how I'm talking about like the food, but I'm talking about McDonald's. But honestly, I think maybe I just need more coffee beans because it's good. It just tastes a little bit watered down. All right. So next task is to build this dog crate fence. I want to be able to just put Sterling outside, but there's obviously no fence, but there is like a backyard. So I'm gonna put this fence up and hopefully I can just like leave him outside instead of having to watch him the whole time. I already did one of them just to figure out how to do it. I bought these off of Amazon. I think I got both of these for $200 or whatever, which honestly isn't bad because these are like pretty big and it's a lot cheaper than installing a whole fence. All right. 20 minutes later and I'm done. I feel like such a mom doing this. I feel like I'm a mom building a playground for my kid in the backyard so that they can have fun. But let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I connected it through here just because there's a power outlet there and I don't want to cover that. But there wasn't enough room and I don't want to buy another one. So I just put an extra compost bin there with a cardboard box so that he can't go through. And then here's a little gate right here, right by the door. Back here, there's a little gap by the fence. So I put a bunch of cardboard boxes there and then paint cans so that it doesn't move. Eventually, maybe I'll get some chicken wire and stuff, but I think that this works. I'm really excited that he can like have a backyard. He's never like had one before. So let's see what he thinks. Sterling, come here, outside. Let's go. No, this way, Sterling. Sterling, go. Oh, stupid, go. Good boy. Do a quick locky lock. And now I don't have to watch him. I mean, I do, but like not actually like watch him, you know? You having fun? Yeah. Oh, he's gonna poop. Knew it. He's got the zoomies. Look at him. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yay. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is his first backyard ever. Hi, okay, so I got my list here of what I need to do. So I gotta hit a grocery store. Got to go to Bed Bath & Beyond to grab organizers. Hi.
So he said you can come over at 6. You already have the instrumental and everything, right?
Yeah, I got it.
So you just have to record the vocals.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, he said come over at 6 o'clock. No worries.
Bye.
Talk to you later.
That was for, you probably already watched it, my moving vlog number 2, where I actually moved to LA. I did a little montage and in the beginning of that I sang. Well, you're gonna see that I sang and we're planning that out right now. But then I gotta go to IKEA later, which is gonna be in another vlog. So I'm excited. All right, let's head to Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah. We out here at Bed Bath & Beyond. Fuck, did I bring my thing? I need to go grab my list of what I need. I think I'm just gonna get this 20-piece set. It's $200, but I have a 20% off code. And I'm gonna use a bunch of them. So I think this will be good. I'm gonna get these egg poachers for Alyssa because she likes poached eggs. And I don't wanna put it in vinegar every time I wanna cook poached eggs. All right, time to go into Ralph's to get the essentials that I can't believe I forgot, like feta cheese and matcha. Let's go do that. Got the goods. I can find brown rice and quinoa, but where's just the quinoa? Like, do I have to go to the healthy section? These are the best. 2 for $6. I'm gonna get it. Alyssa wants to make chocolate covered pretzels, so. I'm home now and I unloaded everything, but I'm so hungry. I haven't ate today and I usually eat so much. So I'm gonna make some eggs and avocado toast. Got my little eggies. Oh, it's so messy in the background. I'm sorry. It's not aesthetically pleasing. I'm trying my best, okay? Alyssa's currently cleaning up the boxes and I think she's gonna take a bath. I'm gonna make some avocado toast and eggs and then I'll show you guys the whole organizing situation. Boom.
Have you even tried this Arnold Palmer yet?
No.
Oh my gosh.
I have a little sticky sip. Yeah? Sorry, most people in LA are scared because everyone has STIs here.
Are you serious? Is that why people don't share drinks here?
Yes. Well, yeah, it's expensive to get tested and everyone has STI. Like, it's a high rate here for herpes and everything.
Did you like that?
Yeah, it was good.
Better than the...
Yeah. Fun fact of the day, everyone. LA has a very high STI rate. All right, time to cook the eggies. I haven't like cooked anything here yet, so I'm excited. For seasoning, I usually just use salt and pepper, which I bought today. If there's seasoning salt, that'd be dope. If not, I have to go buy more. I just bought salt and pepper shakers just because it's convenient to be able to do this instead of having to like pour a scoop of pepper and pour a scoop of salt. We have that as well, but I just want this for like serving stuff. I'm gonna use this like mist that I got and I put grapeseed oil in it. Let that heat up for a second. Got my eggs ready. Oh, I need to do my avocado toast. Some Dave's Killer Bread. I have to go to my Ticket House to do this shit. I'm gonna use a spatula and I'm just gonna create little folds in the middle. And as I'm doing that, I'm gonna spread the rest around. That's how you should cook scrambled eggs. I mean, if you don't wanna do that, that's fine, but this is just how I learned. I'm gonna just grab a quick avocado out of my rolling thing, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off. It's still a little bit slimy, as you can see, but the residual heat will cook the egg, so it's not overheating. I mean, so it's not like overcooked, because you know eggs are overcooked when they're like rubbery, but also you want to make sure your eggs aren't like brown or anything like that. Fun little fact, if you want to keep avocado fresh, like let's say you half it, only use the one without the pit, and then put the side with the pit, leave it in there, and put it in a Ziploc bag, and it'll stay fresh. Bravo, we just made food. This looks so freaking good, wow. Even though it looks simple, but it looks good, okay, whatever. So I have a cereal dispenser, but I don't eat cereal. Alyssa doesn't eat cereal. I just feel like there's so many better breakfast options. So we decided, well, it was her idea to make this a candy dispenser, and I agree with that idea. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I bought a bunch of bags from Ralph's. They were on sale, which was good, or else I would not have bought them. But we're gonna start by filling it up.
Oh, this is such a smart idea.
Boom.
And you just put this?
Do it. Wow! Too good. Wow, this looks so good. I just broke my vase. Oh my god, you know what I just realized?
What?
We've had vases this whole time. I cannot believe I put my flowers in a water bottle. Oh my god, am I a dumb bitch or what? I really got dumb bitch-itis. Oh my god. Anyways, I just broke this, so I'm gonna need to throw that away. But good thing that made me realize that I literally have vases for roses and I'm just being like stupid. Okay, well now I just realized that I have vases that I can put flowers in and I don't actually need to buy more, but anyways, super cute. Anyways, so I got this 20-piece set that I'm gonna open up and use. I'm so excited. I saved $40 at Bed Bath & Beyond, so yay! I'm gonna take these all out of the containers and then I'll come back to y'all. Alright, so I took them all out of here and I brought out all the things that I need to put in containers. So let's just get started, I guess. I'm really excited. So I think I want to do this one for coffee beans. It looks like it would be just about the same size. Maybe a little bit less, but I think that's like the best shape, I guess, for it. I'm so excited for this. It's just gonna keep everything fresh. So easy to access everything. Oh, that was beautiful. Put the little lid on. I can't say the word that I want to say, which is orgasmic, but it really is. Flour is so messy. I'm so glad I have a container for it. Honestly, this is too small actually. As long as like most of it's out, I'm sure it's fine. Boom. Okay, so we got flour, and then the rest of this I can just keep stored like under the cupboards where like, I don't have to ever reach for it. That made a huge mess. Okay, anyways, next up we have brown sugar. This one's pretty small. I wonder if the brown sugar is gonna go hard if it's one of these things. Because these like OXO containers are supposed to keep things fresh for a long time. But the thing is, they were really expensive, but honestly don't regret buying them one bit because I'm gonna bring it wherever I go. Like I will literally ship it anywhere I go. And I'm gonna use them literally in any house I move into. So honestly, don't really care. Cause like I bring all my kitchen organizing stuff, so why wouldn't I bring like this? I'm gonna put Boom Chicka Pop in this huge one because I eat that all the fucking time. I'm basically just putting anything that's not resealable in here. Wow, that fit that perfectly. Amazing. Tostitos, hints of lime. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It just looks so like organized. Cheez-Its. Then chocolate chips. It fit, damn, I'm impressed. Then we have some rice, so that whenever I want it, I can just like measure out a cup or whatever and just pour it in. I'm gonna save this other big one for the chocolate covered pretzels that we're gonna make. But for these, I think I just wanna put the pasta in them because it'll like look good, you know? Whoops. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up. She wants me to try this matcha that from Dunkin'. She says it's so good, way better than Starbucks. She's obsessed with Dunkin'. Let's try it.
What is on your butt?
There's something on my butt?
There are handprints all over your butt.
Flour, bitch. It's flour.
Bring your straw up some.
What do you think? I think it's good, but I would add an extra like 2 scoops of matcha. Like
it is usually more matcha. Like look at mine compared to yours.
yeah, like it tastes like milk, you know. I usually get extra at Starbucks too, so like I feel like this is just. It tastes good though. More matcha though, but it's good.
More matcha.
More matcha. All right, so I organized everything. I took a picture. Wow, this could be a good thumbnail. You know, I'm just gonna take it just in case nothing else works out. All right, so I'm gonna put these all in the drawer. I don't really know how I wanna do this though, so let's figure this out. So I just want them to all be in like one section, but I think I'm just gonna place them all on the outer edges so you can see them better. I definitely want the Cheez-Its to be out front, just because I feel like easy access. Same thing with like the popcorn, tortilla chips, pretzels, with everything. Or, that doesn't even close. That is very unfortunate. I mean, I could unscrew this and move this up, but that seems like a lot of work. But is it though? Kind of want to do that. Got the drill bit. All right, fuck it up. Let's go. Take the rack out. This is a lot of work to make a pantry look good. I'm gonna move it up too, just in case. All right, so basically the consensus is I've been trying to do this for the past 30 minutes and I can literally smell my sweat because that's how much I'm sweating because I'm on my tippy toes in this hoe trying to put this mother freaking screw in, but it's not working because it's not sharp at the end. It's literally just like a flat end screw and I don't know how someone got it in there and it just will not go in. You see, it just literally doesn't want to. So I'm gonna have to go buy some fucking screws, but I'm pissed off. I'm gonna put this in here. I'm trying to calm myself down. I literally have to go buy screws because this is not working. But you know what? This looks good, I guess. I'm sweating. All right, so it's currently quite later now. Since I last updated you, I took a nap because I was so stressed out after putting up that drawer, even though it didn't work out. So I have to go finish that another day, but that literally got me so stressed out. I sweat so much that I was so sleepy. So I took a little 30-minute nap and then I'm currently recording what you guys saw in my moving vlog number, I think 3 or something like that. That little Hannah Montana section. And that's what I'm recording right now. And we just did it and it's so cool. This is my first time ever doing any of this. This is Darby, he's doing it right now. And oh my God, I literally didn't know that like this stuff existed and like that I could do this, so I'm really excited. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go listen to that. I mean, go watch that vlog. But this was like the coolest fucking thing ever, so get ready for more stuff like this because I didn't even know this existed. I'm in Target right now, quickly looking for some pots because Adeline and Andre are coming over right now and I don't have any pots to cook anything in and I really need one. I'm like looking at all of them and I don't know what the fuck to buy. One of these and then also this one right here. I'm also just grabbing Alyssa some shampoo and conditioner because she's been talking about it for a minute. So I'm just gonna get her that so that she doesn't have to go herself. All right, I got home and I made food really quick. It like took 20 minutes, but I made spicy fusilli with it's like basically vodka pasta. I don't know. I got some basil and Parmesan on top. It looks hella good. Andre's here. He's like currently editing photos. And you want to introduce yourself? We'll do a little pop tag.
Yeah, hello. I'm Jake. That
He was
is
our
it.
photographer for today.
Yeah, we're going through pictures right now and they're pretty dope. It'll be
Wait,
good.
you took these?
Yeah.
Wow. Fuck it up. Look at these. And they say, why does everyone think we're dating? Adeline's currently taking a picture of her new nails with her White Claw. Blue is here. Wow. So we're gonna eat. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what I want to drink. I think it's maybe some cranberry juice.
Something to buy the button, yeah. The button, buy the